Scraping the barrel. Uncovering the meaning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard, scraping the barrel. This expression is quite vivid and has a fascinating background. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind scraping the barrel. The phrase, scraping the barrel, refers to using the least desirable or the last remaining resources because nothing else is available. It's often used to suggest that one has to resort to inferior options due to a lack of better choices. The image conjured is quite literal. Imagine having a barrel full of something valuable and gradually using up its contents until there's nothing left but the bottom. And then, in desperation, scraping it to get every last bit. Understanding where scraping the barrel comes from can help us appreciate its use even more. This expression is believed to have naval origins, dating back to times when food and resources aboard ships were stored in barrels. When supplies ran low, the crew would literally scrape the barrels to gather every last bit of food. Over time, the phrase evolved beyond its literal meaning to symbolize the act of resorting to less than ideal options in a variety of situations. Now that we know what it means and where it comes from, let's talk about how to use scraping the barrel in your daily conversations. This phrase is perfect for situations where you or someone else is making do with what is left or available, even if it's not the first choice. For example, in a job scenario, we're really scraping the barrel with our temporary hires this season. In personal situations, I was scraping the barrel for dinner ideas, so we're having leftovers. In creative projects, the last few ideas for the campaign felt like we were scraping the barrel. Interestingly, scraping the barrel can also appear in different variations like scraping the bottom of the barrel. The essence remains the same, but the addition of the bottom of emphasizes the desperation or lack of quality even more. Feel free to use either version, depending on what sounds more natural to you in conversation. And there you have it. Scraping the barrel is a colorful expression that adds depth to our language and conversations. It's a reminder of our ability to make do in tough situations, even if it means turning to the last resort. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and use of English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to scrape the barrel of the English language. There are always gems to be found. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.